Hi guys, it's Grant from Grant Bakes, and today I'm going to tell you why I don't cover up my sourdough bread when I put it in the fridge. For my regular sourdough recipe that I make almost every single week, I let my dough proof in the fridge overnight and then I bake it the next day. So what most people do, and this is where I'm a little different from most people, what most people tell you to do is they tell you to cover up your Banneton basket, your dough, with either plastic wrap or a kitchen towel or something before you put this in the fridge to proof. I actually don't cover up my Banneton baskets when I put them in the fridge because it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter at all. Here's why I think that. When you put your dough in the fridge, it's gonna form a kind of a dry skin on top in this part of the dough right here where it's exposed to the air. The moisture just kind of leaks out the skin of the bread while it's proofing overnight, and that gives you just kind of a dry skin. But it doesn't matter because this dry area on top is eventually going to be the bottom of your bread. You're going to flip out the dough and it's going to be flipped over. So what was exposed to the air and is now dry is now the bottom of your sourdough bread. So I find that that dried area, that little skin that forms on top of the dough when I put it directly into the fridge, that doesn't really matter because that's just going to end up being the bottom of your bread anyway, and I don't even notice that dry skin. So maybe you tried this out and you've noticed that that dry skin is really noticeable to you and you don't like it. Go ahead, pop your Banneton basket full of dough into the fridge with a little plastic cover or maybe a kitchen towel. That's completely fine. But give it a go. Just pop this in the fridge with no cover on top and see how you like it. I really don't even notice any difference at all when I'm making sourdough bread. If you want to make great sourdough bread, I would love for you to try out my recipe. Go ahead and click this video right here or here, and I'll see you in the next one.